Rahul Guha, Executive Chairman of Fiducian Services, has steered Fiducian Group into a year of record growth, with the company's stock trading at all-time highs. With its leading-edge technology platform and diversified multi-manager funds, Fiducian is delivering scale and revenue growth across both platform and funds management divisions. Ahead of presenting at the TIP Group Small Cap Conference, I'm joined by Rahul to discuss Fiducian's platform strength, growth momentum, and long-term strategy. Rahul, welcome to the Stock Network.
Thank you, Lel. Very pleased to be here.
Now, Fiducian has just delivered $343 million in net inflows in FY 2025, with almost all advisor inflows channeled through your platform and funds. Can you outline how significant this milestone is in demonstrating the strength of your integrated model?
Yeah, it's an interesting point, Lel. If we were to look at all the bigger players in Australia, all the well-established players, every single one of them, not one, but every single one of them over the last 5-6 years at least, have delivered net outflows each year. And contrasting that with Fiducian, I've been with the organization only about 13 years. People still make fun of me. I'm a newcomer here. But every year, Lel, we have consistently produced net inflows, and that has been quite positive for our company. And what I believe is that when you look around in the industry, there's not much new monies in there. The only new monies that's coming in are from superannuation guarantee. So essentially, what happens is one platform gains is another platform loss. So that's how it works. And one of the model that we have is what you touched upon is an integrated model. We do have support from roughly about 77 financial advisors that is aligned to us. And having that over the years has definitely helped. So it's the money that's coming through our enablement division, which is financial advice, and having the support of those dedicated aligned advisors has seen our clients benefit, but also the organization benefit. In fact, out of those 343 million odd that you quoted, 60% of that is coming from brand new clients, Lel. That is all organic clients. So those clients were never Fiducian's clients before, but we have been able to win them through referrals, through campaigns, and so on and so forth. And the rest 40% has come from acquisitions. So that has definitely helped our organization as well as the overall shareholders as well, Lel.
Excellent. Now, with $4.18 billion in funds under administration and a proprietary tech platform linking advisors and clients, can you explain what role does technology play in ensuring Fiducian can scale further, also while maintaining that advisor and client loyalty?
Yeah, technology is very important to us, and there's a lot of other competitors, a lot of other organizations. They brand them fintech, and but essentially it's like a host of people sitting behind what they call fintech. But what we have, Lel, is three core systems. The first one is financial planning software, which is Force. The next one is the platform administration system, which is called Fast Track, and finally we have got the reporting system, which is Fiducian Online. What we believe is we are probably the one of the very few, if not the only one in Australia, which has got their own in-house software, both in all of the areas, which is client reporting, the financial advice, as well as platform administration, and it's all sitting on the same platform, so fully integrated, and that gives the benefits as well as the efficiencies. If I were to take a couple of examples, Leo, one of again I won't name the competitors, but one of the largest superannuation fund, you might recall about maybe a couple of months back, they made a big announcement that only now they have rolled out multi-factor authentication. So until then, the cybersecurity was a huge issue for that platform. Again, another platform provider on the private space, maybe 6 months back, they announced they have done multi-factor authentication, and those kind of features in our company we have at least for the last 5-6 years or so. If you were to look at all of the platforms in Australia, more or less everyone is comparable, Leo. That is the core functionalities every platform has, whether it's Fiducian or whether it's one of our competitors. Where we really differentiate ourselves is through the service that we provide to the clients, and that's the benefit that our advisors and the clients see, and also the efficiencies that we are able to add through our platform, which saves them a lot of time. Now, maybe last example, if I can give, Leo, The 2012, about 13 years back, our platform was roughly about 850 million. And we had 20 people that time sitting on our platform administration team who's servicing those clients worth 850 million. Today, we have grown to over 4 billion, as you rightly observed. And guess how many people we have? We have roughly about 15 people. So although the number of clients and the volumes have increased more than 4 times, our staff number has remained quite constant. And we do that through adding scalability and continuous investment in our system level.
That's certainly very efficient. Now, in terms of sustaining this growth with the record highs that you're generating, how do you see Fiducian continuing to capture inflows and revenue growth in also an increasingly competitive wealth management market?
You know what, Lel? Last Friday, we completed 25 years in listed in ASX. So we had our 25th anniversary. And out of those 25 years, 19 of those years, we have been able to produce double-digit growth. And those, as you can know, those don't come easy. And that's really come one of the strong factor is the model that we have in our organization, which is what we call is the 3 clips. So what happens, Leo, if you one of our clients, you see one of our financial advisor, you go to their office, and if it's right for the client, you might get referred to Fiducian platform. And again, if it's right for yourself, you might get referred to Fiducian funds. So essentially, you're one of our clients, and you've got $1 million to invest. So that money goes to Fiducian advice, Fiducian platform, and Fiducian funds. So essentially, from one client, we are able to clear 3 sets of revenue stream, and that has definitely helped us in maintaining that growth. We talked about all the net inflows that we get, support that we get from the financial aligned financial advisors, but also we are targeting more on the IFA market. And you know how I mentioned we have got 77 financial advisors aligned, but if you look at the IFA market, that's close to about 10,000 potential advisors that can benefit from our service. And what we feel is that's an area that we can tap on for continuing growth there.
Well, Rahul, thank you so much for the update. Congratulations on the success, progress to date, and look forward to learning more at the TIP conference, which is coming up.
Thank you, Lel. Appreciate your time and interest.